All right. Hopefully, everyone's having a great weekend. I'm not going to hold you long. We're going to go into our chart segment and then we'll end off, and the rest of you can enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right. So, the XRP Ripple chart that you see before you is still in a bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and you have a rally alert for Sunday night into Monday's trading as the market is heading toward that 70 cents target that we talked about way back when. Next up, we got ZEC or Zcash. This market has been in a bear market, but it's been undergoing a bear market rally. And you can see the price action continues to push. Right now, I would say that the target that we're going to looks like the market wants to go to about 36, maybe even 38. So this market is wide open and running right now. So we expect this to continue into Monday. Looking at silver. So silver had another big downward move, as you can see here. It's been in a bull market correction. We had a bearish trend momentum reading, and it's been giving you nothing but downside production. And it went down and touched that $23 handle that we've been speaking about as the support. So the market actually has touched support. The question is, will that support hold and the market start to boogie back? Or is it going to come down here now and test the $22 handle? But that's where we are. This bearish trend momentum reading is still remains in full effect. Looking at the Dow has a crash alert to start the trading off Sunday night into Monday morning as the market is preparing itself for a bull market correction. We had the crash alert here coming into Friday's trading. We didn't really get any major downside production, but right after hitting the new 52-week high, I think this is definitely in order. Kumo cloud down here at the 34,000 psychological support is the initial target on the downside move here. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. It's been hanging out here, hovering, even though you have a bearish trend momentum reading. You haven't gotten any follow through on the downside as of yet, but I do believe it's coming. Kumo cloud here at the 15,000 psychological support is the target for this downward trajectory. Now, because you are in a bull market, can the trend reclaim the price action at any moment? Of course it can. But just remember, you got a bearish trend momentum reading, so prepare accordingly. Looking at gold. Gold has been in a corrective state on its way to the Kumo cloud here at the 1900 handle. So I'm anticipating that the market will drop below the 2000 psychological support and get down here to about maybe between 1963 and 1950. That's our initial downside target on the pullback for your gold. As far as the S&P 500, it went back to neutralize again now to start off trading for Sunday night into Monday. And I do believe that this market at some point will begin to pull back as well, especially if the NASDAQ pulls back. This will help pull the S&P down with it, as they've been the most powerful out of the four indices. Looking at oil, we have a rally alert for Sunday night into Monday to start the week off. I think the upside target is back up here toward the bottom of the Kumo cloud, and we'll call this $78. So about an $8 to $10 run to the upside is a possibility at this point if oil catches a bid. Looking at the euro, so the euro remains under pressure. You still have the bearish trend momentum reading. Market did come down to target. We hit the top of the Kumo cloud there, so we could technically see a bounce from here. But you don't have many days to do it. You're coming up on this vortex where price action gets sucked down, bumps its head at the bottom, and then drops precipitously. So it's not out of the woods yet. It's because you hit the first support. There is a high likelihood when you hit the first support that the second one is just right around the corner. So If the US dollar remains strong, this is going to put more pressure on your euro to start the week off. Looking at the pound sterling, same as the euro, which you haven't hit downside target yet, but that is coming with that bearish trend momentum reading still in effect. Looking at the Aussie still has the bullish trend momentum reading and a positive bot check. So I'm expecting a big upward surge to start the week off Sunday night into Monday's trading. Where might we be headed? Our initial target now is at the 69.17 level. So that's what we're looking at if all things remain equal. Next up is the Russell bullish trend momentum reading. All right, bear market rally is still underway, and the market is toying with the idea of breaking back out north side of 1900. That's where the market's going to try to get to. But remember, this is a bear market rally. The bear market trend can reclaim the price action at any moment. So be aware of that if you are long the Russell. Next, it's a US dollar index, bullish trend momentum reading, getting close here to that target of, we'll call it 105, okay? And that is where the resistance currently is, corresponding with the bottom of the Kumo cloud. If the dollar can push through it, then it can make another run at the 108 handle. If this proves to be too much of resistance, though, it will put pressure on the dollar and it will come down here and take out this weak support at the 102 handle. And then that will cause the other forex pairs to reverse and rally. So everything's contingent upon the dollar. The dollar's still in a locked-in bull market, though. You're in a bull market trend with a bullish trend momentum reading, which is a buy the pullback, buy the dip mode. The only danger sign is that you're below the Kumo cloud now, so it's going to take a lot of power to get you back north side of this Kumo cloud. All right, Ethereum futures, new 52-week highs. The market has no quit in it, and it's just going. But you do have this gap, and at some point, the gap will need to be back and filled. So if you're long in the Ethereum futures, you're going to want to look for a spot to take some profit off the table, and you want to do that. So you should always try to lock in profits and or take profits along the way. Bitcoin futures new 52-week high as well, and seems to be no let up in sight. The market is just powerful. And it doesn't want to back and fill the gap. So we'll see what happens. But 45,000 looks like the market wants to give you some consecutive bullish closes above that. We'll see where it goes from here. But a pullback is inevitable, people. So be vigilant in that. All right, so that's what we got for today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you back here tomorrow morning. You don't want to miss our morning pre-market show along with the Thinking Outside the Box podcast. We've been having a lot of fun going over a lot of different things in those podcasts, so you're definitely gonna want to tune in for that. You don't want to miss it. And with that being said, remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.